From Brian's Blues Kitchen, hello everybody and welcome. Today we're making butternut squash soup, and they are available all year round. I have made a few modifications to improve its nutritional value and also added a few spices to enhance flavor. So join me in my kitchen, and if you're ready to cook, let's get to it. You can use a food processor, but a hand blender seems to work a whole lot easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for upcoming videos. And remember, health is everything. So stay active, eat healthy, and I'll see you next time.